Yeah. Hold up.
Hallelujah.
Indumiso 147 to 150. So la ngibambe khona is 149.
Okay.
Verse 5, 6 and 7.
Okay.
Uyabahombisa abalulamileyo ngoloyiso mabadlabke benozuko abenceba
Okay.
mabamemelele besezililili zabo.
No idea what you're talking about, bro.
Me too.
What the hell is
I don't have a clue, my nigga.
this? You meet bongo.
I've never heard anybody speak Xhosa in Zulu, bro.
No, Exotic. I wasn't expecting a Xhosa Bible.
Market in the gap. Say she love me cause I'm up, trying to make it work. I came around hitting back. I was down in the dirt. Before a nigga turned 30, I can hit him with the 38 special. Last summer in the bando, next summer in the Benzo. North side where the bands go. Couple places